New tires fix a lot of problems, and that's why you're awesome. But every shop worth its salt knows that a new set of hoops isn't going to solve every problem. So let's talk about what new tires can fix, what they can't, and why the vehicle might still need attention elsewhere next. Tires are a big part of how a vehicle feels, but they're not working alone. Suspension components, alignment settings, and overall vehicle condition all play a role in ride quality, handling, and braking. When one of those things is already worn or out of spec, new tires might help, but they're just masking the problem. Customers often expect a tire replacement to fix vibration, pulling, or noise. But if the underlying issue lives somewhere else, the tires may improve the feel without fully solving the complaint. From the customer's perspective, that can be confusing, especially when they just spent real money. That's why expectation setting matters before the tires ever go on the car. Explaining that tires address grip, wear, and consistency, not necessarily issues caused by worn suspension parts or alignment problems, helps frame the outcome correctly. Sometimes new tires actually make other issues easier to notice. A smoother, quieter tire can highlight looseness, uneven alignment, or ride problems that were already there. That doesn't mean the tires were the wrong choice, it means they did their job. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.